In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed procedure on this Subaru Forester. Let's get into it. Just want to take a rag, wipe off the cap on the brake fluid master reservoir. And we're going to clean the cap. Just use a rag, just wipe that down. Pop the cap off. On the cap, you can see what type of fluid. This vehicle uses .3 fluid. I'm going to use a clean fluid extraction pump and remove any of the dirty fluid, or as much of the fluid as possible. There is a little screen right here. I'm just going to pull that screen out. There we go. Pull that out. Set that aside. Pull that dirty fluid out. Go a little bit more. All right, that's about as much as I'm going to get. That's okay. You want to take a fresh container of brake fluid, correct type. You want to top that off. That's good. Put the screen back in. And put the cap back on. With the vehicle raised off the ground and supported, you want to take all four wheels off. We're starting with the right front. After the right front, we're going to the left rear. Then from there, we're going to the left front, and then finally the right rear. So we'll start here. Take the bleeder cap off. Use a 10mm wrench over the bleeder. And I'm going to use a hose just to make it a little easier. Otherwise, you can just have a drain bucket if you don't have a hose. Push that over the bleeder screw. And then we're going to loosen this up. Just make sure it breaks free. We're going to have an assistant in the vehicle pump the pedal. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And then hold it. While they're holding it, open the bleeder. You can see the fluid come out. And we'll close it up. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And hold it. Open it up. No bubbles, that's good. Close it up again. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And hold it. Open it up. No bubbles. Close that up. Make sure that's snug. Take the hose off. You can let off the pedal. Then we're gonna just clean this off with some brake parts cleaner. And put the cap back on. And move on to the left rear. Now over at the left rear, and this vehicle has drum brakes, so we're gonna bleed at the wheel cylinder. I'm gonna take this cap off. And then we'll use an 8mm wrench. Put the hose on, or a drain bucket underneath. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And hold it. Open the bleeder. There's the fluid. No air. That's good. Close it up. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And hold it. Open it up. No air. That's good. Close it up. Go ahead, pump the pedal. And hold it. No air bubbles. Close it up. Take the hose off. Snug that down. Use the little brake parts cleaner. Put the cap on. And from here, you want to top off the master cylinder reservoir with some fresh brake fluid. Pop the cap off. You want to top that off. That's good. And put the cap back on. That's good. It's tight. Next, you're going to bleed the left front wheel, and that's going to be the same procedure as the right. Following that, you're going to do the right rear procedure, and that's going to be the same procedure as the left rear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.